Hi everyone, welcome to Blend Discovery channel. Today in this video we would like to apply the Smochm Music smartwatch. We know that the Smochm Hello Watch can support a local music player. Today we would like to show how to practice the operation on the Smochm Hello Watch, the local music smartwatch. The application for this small smartwatch is the QI Fit. Before the next step, we have to install the QI Fit application into your smartphone. Then we can find the local music item on the device tag. Click the local music, then we'll go to the song. Then click the add song. We can show all the song then in your smartwatch, in your smartphone. Then click one song you want to transfer from the smartphone to the watch. Then you will automatically download the song from your smartphone to the smartwatch. Each time you can only upload one song. Only the song is download finished. You cannot upload the local music again. And the download progress is shown on the screen of the smartphone. You can just waiting for the operation to finish, waiting it to 100%. So when the downloading is finished, the song name will appear on the smartwatch. Compared to the digital screen, you can see the song is transferred from the smartphone to the smartwatch. Now we can play the music now. The sound is very big. So how do you think about the Smochm Hello smartwatch? The music play function is very good, and let us know your thinking about this smartwatch on the comment areas. Thank you. See you next time.